Hi, this is another ForeFlight Quick Tips with VSL Aviation. Today I'm going to show you how to plan a top of descent point using the profile view in ForeFlight. So I've got a quick flight plan from Russellville here to Monroe. On my edit window, I'm going to go over to my profile window and long press in the profile window view until the vertical line intersects with my top of descent point. I'm then going to zoom out and I should see a green dot there at my top of descent that ForeFlight's calculated. Of course, this is based on my performance profile that I've built in there, so if it's an incorrect performance profile, this isn't going to work. I can see that it's 285 feet and it's 144 nautical miles from my point of departure. Real quick, I'm going to zoom in there and find something that I can measure off of and then use the measurement tool to get a rough estimate of where that's at. And I can see that that's looks like approximately 30 miles prior to my landing at Monroe. So then I go back to my edit window, I tap on Monroe, and I'm going to add an along track offset of 30 miles and insert that. It's going to put a point 30 miles before Monroe, and if I go back to my profile view, now I can see my top of descent point is actually a waypoint on my flight plan. Hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.